Greetings everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Let me walk you around this 2015 Mitsubishi Evolution MR Touring Edition. Apex Silver, black leather interior that's heated, automatic, has the factory BBSs on it, on deep tires, factory Rockford fosgate, moonroof, again, automatic transmission with the shift pedals. Car is largely stock with the exception of some piping. Tinted windows. It's been independently inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade that reasonably. Car is very clean, except for a little curbage on the wheels, and you can see these little scratches on the bumper there. Otherwise, car is nice and clean. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or autoramaauto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.